Hello, and welcome to the I Write Audition for Author and Polly May's Conservatory of the Arts. Welcome to RAM Nation. The first thing you must remember when you attend the audition is to bring your portfolio. A part of the portfolio, it would be beneficial to have one example of a fiction, one example of an essay, and one example of a poem. With regards to the fiction, it can be any short story or story that you've created that is not real. For the essay, it can be on any topic that you've researched or that you find interesting. And for the poem, it could be any type of poem that you choose. Once you've been introduced to the I Write teacher, you'll be able to during the audition, separate from your parent or guardian, we will be able to see the I Write location, both the classroom and the performance area, and you would also receive some basic background information questions. While you're going over those questions and answering them, I will be able to review your portfolio and develop any questions about interest or style to be asked during the interview. After completing the form, you will be able to compose your own writing. This writing will combine audio-visual perception, analysis, and writing composition. It's a fairly simple procedure. It's not very intimidating or overwhelming. It's all based on your opinion. And really, the purpose is just to see your style of writing. When the writing is finished, there will be a short interview process, which is basically a conversation between the evaluator and the student on topics such as writing, writing style, writing inspiration, or even perhaps some of the interview questions that they have written down before the interview. Students will be able to ask any questions and receive answers for any topics that pique their interest, such as the program, the school, expectations. When students are reunited with their parents, parents will be given the option of returning to the classroom to see where I Write primarily takes place, or they could choose to go to the alternate location where performances take place for I Write. At the end of the auditions, if you should develop any more questions, comments, or concerns, please contact the Magnet Coordinator, Ms. Beard. Her number is listed 305-233-2300. The extension is 2202. Or you can contact her at kbeard@dateschools.net. Thank you, and we hope to see you at RAM Nation.